For this third grade small group, you are going to do place value clues and place value pocket. Start off with place value clues. That way they can go for place value pocket as long as they have left. So if this is the set of clues for today, the number is less than 30. Okay, we're getting higher, so it cannot be 30. We're going to cross that off, but it could be anything else. Half of the digits are odd. So that means if we're talking about half, one digit out of two of the digits are odd. And so that means that it cannot be a one-digit number. So we'll get rid of all those one-digit numbers because they can't be part of that clue. Then we have a number like 10, even, odd, that could stay. 11, both are odd, can't stay. So 13 can't, 15 can't, 17, 19 can't stay. 20, we've got a 2 and a 0. That cannot stay because they're both even. 21 could stay, 22 cannot, 23 can. So there's a difference here of a lot of times it used to be that we could start crossing things off in the same row, but once we switched from a teen to a 20, because that 2 is even, it kind of switches things up for them. I don't know that they will notice that, but if they do, have a conversation about it. The number is odd, okay? So that means we've got to get rid of all of these teens because 10 is even, 12, 14, 16, 18, those are all even numbers. And then the last clue, the digital root is the number. The digital root of the number is the number of fingers on one hand. How many fingers are on my hand? 5. So let's add up the digits of the numbers that are left. Looking for a digital root of 5. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Nope, can't be that one. 2 plus 3 is 5. It might be 23. 2 plus 5 is 7. No, can't be that one. 2 plus 7 is 9. No. And then this one, last one, 2 plus 9, that's 11. We're not to the digital root yet because we've still got 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. No, that can't be it. So if I did this correctly, our mystery number is 23, which it is. After place value clues, then place value pocket. The really important thing that I want them to see is how we go from expanded form to standard form and what does that look like when we build numbers out of it. So for today, what you can have them do is put these expanded form cards out face down, and then you can have a student one person pick a blue card, one yellow, one green, and then talk through, okay, now that we did that, what number did we create? Because this really, if we're writing an equation, and you have the marker board table, so you could put plus signs in between these. That would mean that in expanded form, this is 600 plus 40 plus 6. All right, now let's build that in our place value pocket with our digit cards. So we need our 600, 40, 6. So it's important for them to see this both ways, where it is an expanded form. And I lost my, we're going to have to use our other set of digit cards because there's 2 6s. 646. Then the last piece that's critical for them to see, I see it in expanded form, I see it in standard form. Now I need to actually physically build it. So that means that I need 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 4 tens, 40, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. And then my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. With as many pieces to that process as there are, you might only get through one number, and that's okay. But if they can get through more than one, going from expanded to standard to building it, that'll be great. Thank you.